Now, everybody's gearing up for Father's Day, of course, figuring out how to celebrate, where to go, what to do. But what's a single dad to do when one of his kids, or with one of his kids, that he only has for a couple days or a week, if at all?
Right. So Father's Day is meant to celebrate dads. So we've invited father's rights specialist and attorney Jeffery Leving to kind of offer some suggestions. So welcome back. It's nice to see you.
It's great seeing you again.
Happy early Father's Day. I was joking with you. I said they're still having it this year, which is really nice.
They haven't canceled it yet.
I keep telling my husband, I'm like, it came so fast. I'm a little panicked. All right, so first of all, let's start, what are some of your ideas for dads if they want to have an ideal Father's Day, with their kids? What would you say to your clients?
There are a lot of free activities in Chicago. Lincoln Park Zoo is my favorite because when I was a young dad, I used to take my daughter there all the time. She loved it, and we created lifelong memories. But the key is not just where you go, it's what you do, and it's the quality time you spend together, not the quantity time. And you have to listen and let your children know you're always going to be there for them.
Right.
That's important for stability.
And in those environments, too, are a good opportunity where you're kind of, I don't want to say you're throwing in the life lessons when they least expect it,
right?
But you can have these really sweet conversations with your kids while you're looking at the animals or you're doing things that they remember forever. Right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And one thing my daughter will remember forever, when I took her to Lincoln Park Zoo and the tiger tried to jump over the moat and get to us. It didn't make it. It fell in the moat. But that's a lifetime memory.
That's a lesson.
Right.
Yeah.
You need a lawyer of a different kind, so that's
exactly.
good.
So I mentioned a lot of dads, if they're going through the divorce process or they've just gone through it, they're going to have a lot of questions about, their rights and those sorts of things. And you guys have a town hall that is coming up actually to help them through some of that stuff.
Actually, that's correct. This Friday, I'm working collaboratively with my great friend, Congressman Danny K. Davis, and we're putting on a town hall meeting on fatherhood, Friday, 6 p.m. It's free. We're going to have attorney Jim Hagler there, Sergeant Rafael Barron, U.S. Marines, who's an attorney in my firm. He's going to be there. It's going to be a great event. Learn your legal rights, but also learn information on parenting and resources that are available.
Now, this weekend with Father's Day, it's tough, right? Because if you've experienced divorce, you know that it's kind of a back and forth. What would you say to those couples right now who are watching, who, maybe have some issues communicating about how important, a day like Mother's Day or Father's Day is to really get along?
It's critical. You don't want parental conflict during Mother's Day or Father's Day or any holidays or actually any time of the year. Parental conflict is terrible for children. Parental alienation is one of the worst things a parent can do to a child, and parents have lost custody. Parents have lost normal visitation with their children because of parental alienation. So you never want to use children as tools of revenge. You always want to facilitate a positive relationship between your children and the other parent.
Now, your name has kind of become synonymous with helping dads. I think a lot of people know all the good work you've done. And in fact, our governor is one of those people. He offered you what do they call it? A condemnation? A good thing. What? Congratulations.
Commendation?
Commendation, is that what you say? Yeah,
Or maybe they made it Jeffery Leving Day.
Right, yeah, exactly. Get a whole day now.
This is really nice, though, from the governor.
Oh, I appreciate that, and I've worked hard chairing the Illinois Council on the Responsible Fatherhood, the Illinois Council on Responsible Fatherhood. I have to get it right. And I've been chairing it at the pleasure of the governor to make Illinois a better state for all children, because every child in every community should have a positive relationship with their children, and all communities should get equal treatment and be treated the same way.
Right, amen to that. Thank you so much for all the work you do for mothers and fathers. Hopefully this will be a great Father's Day for you. If you do have any questions about dad's rights, or maybe you'd like some information on that upcoming town hall meeting, which would be a phenomenal thing to take a peek at and get some advice, you can head to dadsrights.com, or you can call 312-356 DADS, D-A-D-S. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Have a great Father's Day.
Oh, thank you.
We'll find out how it went, maybe next year.
Exactly. Hope so.
Okay. Now, whether dad is an outdoorsy type or maybe a big